Hello people, hello world. Welcome to PLASA 2018. I'm Curran and I am with TMB. And today we're here to bring you one of the greatest innovations of all time. And I really mean this. I mean, Tesla bought you the X series model. Boeing is bringing out the XXX series. Today TMB is bringing out the CAT6a APX right here. What makes this so innovative? It is the first ever stranded CAT6a that can do a full 100 meters at fully verified across all the range of an Ethernet network. 12 years ago, we bought out the CAT5e stranded. It went up to 87 meters. Since then, our engineers and our development team have been trying to get that full 100 meters. Why 100 meters? Because when you're doing a front of house run, things like that, everybody wants 100 meters. So, with a CAT6a, we actually get a full 10 gig network, which means that we can put our audio, our video, our lighting, all down through a managed network, one piece of cable. What makes the ProPlex so great? It's stranded, it doesn't break. Sure, we can do it with a solid core, but solid core breaks. The guys pull it through a channel, it breaks. With this, we've got full flexibility. We have extremely low skew. It rejects the noise. So if you're pulling it with cable that is power or rigging or anything else like that, you're going to hear, with an oscilloscope of course, noise coming off that. But this actually keeps the noise away. How does it do that? Each sleeve's foiled. The whole thing is foiled and then it's braided. So when you're thinking cable, think of the ProPlex CAT6a APX. I'm Curran, we're at PLASA, this is TMB, and www.tmb.com.